My crazy cat. My crazy cat. She's attacking nothing. She was just attacking the TV. Woo! Woo! And then she stops to lick herself. Cleaning herself. Waiting for the perfect prey to come around. Waiting. Oh, she's doing it again! Well, this has been a feature presentation by Mr. Strange Flavor 1 and his cat, the attacker.